Good morning, this is Tim with StarCare Powerwash. I'm out here working on a residential driveway this morning for a client that called us up to get their driveway back into shape. Over here, if you can see, there's a lot of moss and mildew on the driveway and some stains, but it's not a bad stain driveway. We do stain removals as well, but at this time we're just working on getting their driveway back into shape for them. So as you can see, this has not been treated with any of our solutions yet. This side is treated to give you a demonstration, and on this side we did this section so you could see what it will look like after it's been done. And then as you can look down here, this section has not been done and it's discolored still, but at the end this whole driveway will be completed, and you'll see a cleaner and brighter driveway for them. So right now I'm going to do a demonstration to show you the process we do. This is our surface cleaner we use. It's a 28-inch surface cleaner. We use high pressure on it, and we also use hot water. You'll see the steam and everything that it brings up to really lift everything up out of the concrete. So that's the process that we do to get your guys' driveways back into the shape that they should be in. And if you have any driveway, or you know anybody that wants to get their driveways back in shape, don't hesitate to give StarCare Powerwash a call at area code 707-580-3665, or you can find us on our web at starcarepowerwash.com. Thank you. Have a great day.